Torus measurement systems are used extensively within the metal packaging industry for dimensional and destructive testing that meets the quality demands of our customers. With over 30 years in the gauging industry and operations across the globe, our automated shell and end inspection systems offer solutions to virtually any of today's inspection requirements. Our modular solutions have your beverage, shell and end inspection needs covered from start to finish. Moving from the coil and shell press stage to the accumulator, our Z401 shell inspection system defines the standard for dimensional inspection of any beverage shell type or size. Each shell is automatically loaded into the gauging module with an integrated pick-and-place system. The automatic grain alignment module ensures precise and accurate inspection of all industry-standard inspection features. Next, we briefly introduce the Z403 compound weight and placement gauge, which reduces the significant labor time associated with manual compound weight and placement checks, whilst also reducing the risk of human error. It incorporates state-of-the-art printing technology to label each shell with specific information related to the module, liner, sample, date and time, ensuring the measured data is correctly tagged to the correct compound liners. At this stage, only the pre-compound weight beverage shell is inspected in order to collect the dry shell weight. We then move on to the Z605 end buckle and burst gauge, a world first of its kind, with up to 3 size capability with no manual change parts. The operator simply loads a batch of beverage shells or ends into the gauge to initiate both the buckle and burst tests. The collated data is then quickly exported to the customer's SPC data acquisition system for analysis. As we reach the compound dryer stage, we reintroduce our Z403 compound weight and placement gauge, showing the post-weight and compound placement inspection as we spoke about previously. Moving on to the accumulator module, at this stage our Z604 beverage shell and end enamel rater monitors the critical manufacturing process for testing metal exposure on beverage shells, checking the integrity of the lacquer or coating. As we move into the EOE conversion system, we can run back through our Z605 end buckle and burst gauge and our Z604 shell and enamel rater. The Taurus systems have the capability to inspect beverage shells both pre- and post-compound applications. This brings us to our Z603 automatic opening force gauge. By monitoring critical manufacturing parameters over time and relating the press performance to the change in the end's opening signature, the manufacturing process capability can be observed. Features included for inspection are pop and tear, tab strength, vent and missile, and score aperture opening, tuck under. All these features are available with programmable pressure settings to suit the customer's requirements. We finished the Easy Open End EOE conversion system at the Z601 automatic progression gauge, which utilizes two opposed triangulation laser sensors to measure a range of forms and features on ends at each stage of the manufacturing process, covering all conversion types. Currently in development and new for 2022 is our Z606 automatic score gauge, our non-contact automatic score residual inspection gauge using the latest white light interferometry technology. Our modular gauge setups allow you to customize your gauge as and when you require, giving you the flexibility to ensure you have a total quality solution that fits your requirements perfectly.